Hi everyone, I'm Ruchi and this video is about image editing in Photoshop. If you haven't followed my channel yet, so just go and subscribe and do not forget to press bell icon because I'm going to upload a series about Photoshop. So let's get started. In this video, I'm telling you how to extend the width of an image in Photoshop. So I have used an image. I've already imported this image into the Photoshop and I will tell you how to extend the width. Just double click on the layer and remove the lock icon from it. Press OK and choose crop option from tool panel. You can also press C from your keyboard to for a shortcut key of the crop button. Okay. Now just extend the canvas from one side and then press enter from the keyboard. Now I want to extend this image in the empty area as well. Now just press M from your keyboard to select the Marquee tool, or you can also select the Marquee tool from the toolbar. I am using the rectangle Marquee tool, and now drag your mouse from top to bottom only in the empty area, as we need to extend this image into the empty area. From menu bar, select edit option and then fill option. Fill option also has a shortcut key of shift plus F5. You can also use the shortcut key. A fill dialog box open. In content option, you will choose content aware and you will press OK. Now as you people can see that a duplication of the grass is filled on the empty area. And if you want to make this image more perfect, as I can see a little line in both of the areas which we have filled and in the original image, so just click on the clone tool. I have used a bracket button to increase and decrease the brush size. Press Alt to copy this area and just click to remove that line. Now we are seeing that we have extended this image and it's looking pretty good. Hope you guys find this option useful. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.